Hey, not change her to the swimming diaper ah. Right, so we are in day 5 of our movement control order. So yeah, my daughter here, naturally for a 2-year-old, this is really restless times for her. Alright, and need to help her burn some energy, so I've brought out our rubber pool. But this now I'm seeing another problem. The water coming from the supply is brown, and I do not know whether the brown in that is mud or rust from the pipes, which seriously now is not a good time for this at all, right? And as some of you and those of you Klang Valley residents, you would remember that a few days back, right at the start of the MCO, day 1 of the MCO, there was a water issue, all right, where one of the river, pour water, just pour water, don't go in, okay, just pour the water in. So there was the issue where the water supply was contaminated, and kudos to aurizn. They managed to get the issue sorted very, very quickly. Like the next morning, water supply was restored. So I'm not sure if this dirty water here is related to that incident or not. So quickly want to ask, how is everybody doing with the MCO? How are you guys doing cooped up at home? How are you feeling? You feeling stressed? Are you feeling relaxed? Do you enjoy the break from your hectic everyday life? Personally, I'm actually quite happy. This few days has been a good opportunity for me to recharge my batteries. Right. So yeah, I think this break has been. I'm trying to make the best out of this break. Right. The extra family time is particularly welcome, and also yeah, try my best to catch up with some backlog work. So yesterday I managed to, well, rather this early this morning, I managed to finish my first draft of the mini JCW review that I was talking about, and yeah, so now I've got a first draft done. Later tonight I'm going to check it again, and then after that I will send the whole copy over to our designer Kevin. So no doubt these few days, these couple of weeks will be challenging times for us. There's already word that there may even be an extension of the movement control order. I don't think that is an unrealistic possibility. It's something that we have to brace for. Okay, consider it, seeing that the infections are showing no signs of slowing down, and I don't think we will see signs of it slowing down until day 8 at least, or day 10 of the MCO before it slows down. So we still have to brace for a few more days to be spent in the confines of our home. And yeah, and this is why I'm producing these videos daily, right? Trying to keep the idea is we want to keep everybody's spirits up. Right now we are fortunate, we have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have social media, that we still can be in touch with each other, and we can use this connectivity instead of spreading fake news, instead of spreading negativity. Why not? All of us, I'm calling on everybody, all of you guys at home, go to Facebook, go to your Instagram, post positive stuff, right? Show some cool things, really cool things that you're doing at home. Show it off to the world, your friends, anything, can be anything. You do some household chores, you do a little DIY project on your home or on your car, play some games with your kids, all right? Do all this. Most importantly, share all these moments with us on the World Wide Web. Let the world continue, and let it be that already we can't go out, right? So at least, every time when we take out our phones and we fire up our Facebook, our Instagram, our social media feeds, we see positivity going on, in the daily lives of our friends. Because as it is, every time when we look at we will already have no short supply of bad news with all the daily casualty updates and the new case updates from the health ministry and WHO. So we already got enough, we're already getting enough bad news from there. But within ourselves, let's try to generate more good news. Let's try to generate more goodwill. And shout out, guys. Let's just all make a pledge. Shout out positivity on our social media channels. Use these hashtags so that we can find and see what you guys are doing. All right, and yeah. So together, may we spread more positive vibes, and this whole movement control order period would just go so much more pleasantly for everybody. I mean, it's bad enough that we can't go out, so yeah, why not do every little thing, help each other, and just make things and just try to spread as much positive energy out there as we can. Right? God knows we all need this. All right, and guys, just remember, stay at home, duduk rumah. We can do this together.